Well, thank you for joining us this evening for Way 31 News at 5. I'm Marie Waxel.
I'm Dan Schaefer. We start tonight with the announcement of a new judge. It is coming to North Alabama after the tragic murder of Tate Beaning at the hands of his father in a murder-suicide in Madison County. The boy's mother said a delay in her court case may have contributed to her son's killing.
Kayla White demanded a new judge in Madison County to handle the backlog of cases, and now that's going to be a reality. A state commission approved moving a state-funded judge's position from Jefferson to Madison County.
Way 31's Matt Kroschel joins us now in the studio. And Matt, you spoke to that mother's attorney.
Right, and the courts haven't told us exactly what the reasoning is for this new judge, other than the fact is we need them here in North Alabama. So in the 23rd Judicial Circuit, we have not seen a new judge added in years. Moving one from another jurisdiction here is kind of controversial, but the Judicial Resources Allocation Commission voted to make that move, and that process to hire the new judge is already underway. Kayla White told us her story and said she hoped to put pressure on the state to figure out a way to get more judges to hear cases like hers, something she said could have helped save her son. It was an emergency court review on that case that was set for a month out, and Tate was killed before that custody hearing.
We have good judges in Madison County, attentive judges, but it's almost humanly impossible to address all the emergencies that come up, especially when you're talking about domestic violence, custody, and the welfare and safety of children. Oftentimes, getting to these cases in a more efficient and speedy fashion can maybe deter the type of conduct that happened to my client and her family. And it's just a shame. Now, would an extra judge have saved that? I don't know.
The courts right now taking applications. You have to be a qualified attorney. They hope to have that new judge selected after the formal interview process by June 24th of this year. That tight deadline reflects just how big that need is right now to have someone else in there to help with this backlog of cases. Local legal experts I talked to today tell me that, yes, having a new judge will help, but the reality is Madison County needs several more. And that would take the act of state lawmakers to free up funding to find more judges, something that the state lawmakers have been hesitant to do in past years. I'm Matt Kroschel, Way 31 News.